Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Chanina name is Car Gears Sana. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Toyota Hiace, a van that's built for both business and family adventures. Toyota has really stepped up their game, and we're going to take a close look at its exterior, interior, performance, and whether this van is worth your investment. Let's jump right in. Exterior. Host. Right off the bat, the 2025 Hiace looks more modern, bold, and aerodynamic than ever. The front features a redesigned grille with sleek chrome accents, and the LED headlights provide a sharper, more aggressive look. Toyota has also given it a wider stance, improving both stability and road presence. Moving to the side, we get new alloy wheels with a stylish finish and large sliding doors for easy access. At the rear, the LED taillights and a high-mounted brake light add to the Hiace's safety and visibility. The van now comes in multiple color options, including a brand new pearl white and graphite gray. What do you think about the new design? Let us know in the comments. Interior and features. Host. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice Toyota's focus on comfort and technology. The cabin feels more premium with soft touch materials, a newly designed multi-function steering wheel, and improved ergonomic seating for both the driver and passengers. At the center, we get a large 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and provides real-time driving data. For businesses and families alike, storage is key, and Toyota delivers with multiple cup holders, overhead compartments, and under-seat storage. The rear cargo space remains huge, making it perfect for commercial use or long road trips. Performance. Host. Under the hood, the 2025 Hiace comes with two engine options. 1. A 2.8L turbo diesel engine producing around 204 HP and 500 Nm of torque, perfect for heavy-duty hauling. 2. A 2.7L petrol engine with 163 HP, great for urban use and fleet vehicles. Both engines are paired with either a 6-speed automatic or 6-speed manual transmission. Toyota has also improved fuel efficiency, making the Hiace more economical for long-distance travel. Plus, for the first time, we're seeing a hybrid variant rumored to be in the works. The suspension setup has been reworked, offering a smoother ride even when fully loaded. Safety is another big win. Toyota's Safety Sense package includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency brake. Conclusion: is it worth it? Host. So, is the 2025 Toyota Hiace worth your money? If you're looking for a reliable, spacious, and feature-packed van, this is a solid choice. Toyota has made sure the Hiace is not just a workhorse but also a comfortable ride for families and long journeys. With its modern design, improved tech, powerful engine options, and safety upgrades, it definitely stands out in its class. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you buy the new Hiace? If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.